Hi everyone, this is Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's time for another reveal video, and today I'll be sharing the new 4x6 clear stamp set called Nope. This stamp set comes with 2 main images and 7 sentiments. This first image, she measures 2 1/4 by 1 1/2, and this one measures 3 1/4 by 2 3/4. The sentiments are really fun and buildable. There's "but I don't wanna," "be over the hill," or "but I don't wanna adult today." This sentiment I think would go really well with the cranky lady, and it reads, "Being an adult is the dumbest thing I have ever done." And I do have a couple of samples to share. And this first one, I decided to create a snarky Valentine's Day card. I used some of the new paper from the Heart to Heart 6x6 paper pad. I did a little bit of paper piecing on her shirt, and then of course I had to add in Valentine Schmalentine from the new Kiss Off stamp set. And the second card, I decided to do a slimline card because the sentiments "but I don't wanna be over the hill" kind of grabbed at me. And I thought it would be fun to create a scene where her friends got together and planned a surprise party and did the black and gray balloons and black banners. And she starts crying because she said, "But I don't want to be over the hill," and that's probably going to be me in July. But that's neither here nor there. Anyway, that finishes up this reveal video for today. For more information on the products, I'll have those linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.